Hey guys, it's Bobby here. Welcome to How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 Tips. And today we're going to go over tip number 18, which is reply to every comment. Remember, I said it had something to do with comments, right? So just to overview, this series is to get more views. So the first 15 or 16 is all about getting more views and watch time, right? And the second part of the series is getting more subscribers. Why? Let's recap. Subscribers are the best way to build a YouTube channel for long-term success. You guys always got to think about the long-term game, right? Subscribers will see and watch every video that you put out. As long as you tell them to click the notification bell, they'll be notified once you upload every video, every single video. Imagine having guaranteed views from your subscribers. Well, not really guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed in life, but high likelihood that your subscribers will actually see that you posted something. And if you attract the right subscribers, right, 1,000 true friends, right, they will be interested in that video topic. So long-term game, like I said, this will build your YouTube channel's authority to your videos. Your fans will say, hey, Bobby's gonna talk about YouTube again. Yay, let me go learn something new today. So, like I said, it's all about revving up the growth rate of your channel, right? And this is the second factor, all right? So, let me just preview last tip, which was tip number 17. Comment on every video that you watch. Remember, it's like free advertisement. So, comment on the videos that are in your niche and market, right? And they'll see your valuable comment and they're like, oh, who's this Bobby guy? They will click on your name and it'll go straight to your channel. Free advertisement. But reminder, do not spam. Okay, no links. All right, so tip number 18, reply to every comment, right? Here. Who doesn't like a personalized response? And remember the heart button as well, right? So they will actually get a notification that, wow, Bobby gave me a heart and a thumbs up. And he responded and answered my question. So this is how you get closer to your subscribers, right? You can't treat them like a digit or a number, treat them like a person. Ultimately, it's a human being behind that computer, right? So respond to them, treat like a human, and talk to them. So just to recap, reply to every comment that you get on your video. That builds rapport with your viewers, that grows your relationship, and brings it to the next step because you guys are actually chatting back and forth, right? And then what a good ninja trick for me is if I respond to a comment, I think of, I'm gonna end with a question. That means they will reply to that comment because they're answering my question. And the more comments you get, right? Comment ladders, right? The more engagement YouTube thinks that your video has. So that's awesome. Yeah, so another ninja trick is to ask them what type of content they want you to create next, right? Generate any interest and things like that. All right? Does that make sense? All right, so stay tuned for tomorrow's tip, number 19, right? At 11 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning. And that will be based on ask. All right? Stay tuned. All right. Peace out, guys. Oh, wait. Remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, right? Subscribe, hit the notification bell. So once you do get notified, comment on every video because, like I said, that's like free advertising. Piggybacking off of my audience, right? Perfect. And we'll see you later. Bye.